In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Outlook Calendar from desktop background. If you keep seeing your Outlook Calendar appear on your desktop, side panel, or even your lock screen, I'll walk you through several quick fixes. Start with the one that matches where you see the calendar, and move on if it's still showing. Begin on the taskbar. Right-click the taskbar, and look for Widget settings on Windows 11, or News and Interests on Windows 10. If you don't want any widgets, simply turn widgets off. That immediately removes the calendar from the desktop feed. If you prefer to keep widgets but just hide the calendar, open the widget panel, choose Customize, and remove calendar from the list. Give it a moment and the calendar tile should disappear from your desktop or side panel. If the calendar only appears when your PC locks, change the lock screen layout. Press Windows plus I to open Settings, go to Personalization, then Lock Screen. Under Choose an App to show detailed status, select the calendar icon and switch it to None. While you're there, remove Calendar from the Quick Status list as well. That prevents Windows from surfacing Outlook events on the lock screen. If Windows is pulling calendar data from Outlook system-wide, you can turn off the sync. Open Settings, go to Accounts, then Email and Accounts. Select your Outlook account, choose Manage, and turn sync settings off. That stops Windows widgets and notifications from reading your Outlook calendar without affecting your data in Outlook itself. If you installed a desktop calendar overlay app in the past, that could be the source. Common examples include Rainlender, Rainmeter Skins, Outlook desktop gadgets, or other third-party widgets. To remove them, open Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, uninstall any calendar overlay apps you don't need, and restart your PC. After the restart, the calendar layer on your wallpaper should be gone. Finally, if you're mainly seeing calendar pop-ups or sidebar tiles linked to alerts, turn off Outlook calendar notifications directly in Outlook. Open Outlook, go to the Settings gear, search for Notifications, and turn off calendar notifications. This won't delete events, it simply stops them from appearing in Windows widgets and notification banners. That's it. Use the widget toggle or customization to clear the desktop feed, adjust the lock screen to hide calendar data, disable Windows Outlook sync if needed, uninstall any overlay apps, and quiet Outlook notifications. Follow these in order until the calendar disappears from your background.